Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve this quadratic function problem. As per the problem, find the zeros and maximum value for the function. We are given this quadratic function equation. Let's start by finding the zeros. We can find the zeros of a quadratic function by subbing in y or the function value as 0 and solving for x. So in the first step, we should sub in y as 0 on the left side. We have to solve this equation. This is a complex trinomial, but we cannot factor this equation. So we have to use quadratic formula to solve this equation. The coefficients in this equation are fractions. It will be easier to use the quadratic formula if we can get rid of these fractions. The first step is to get rid of the 1, 2, 2, 5 in the denominator by multiplying each term in this equation by 1, 2, 2, 5. On the left side, 0 times 1, 2, 2, 5 is equal to 0. In the x square term, 1, 2, 2, 5 will get cancelled out. Seven over 5 times 1225 is equal to 1715. 5 times 1225 is equal to 6125. The denominator is 2. Next, we can get rid of this denominator 2 by multiplying each term in this equation by 2. On the left side, 2 times 0 is 0. In the last term, the 2's will get cancelled out. Now we can use the quadratic formula because it will be easier to evaluate the whole number coefficients. This is the quadratic formula. In our equation, a is equal to negative 32. B is equal to 3430. C is equal to 6125. We can sub in these values in the quadratic formula. Now we can evaluate this expression. Three four three zero square is equal to 11,764,900. Negative 4 times negative 32 times 6125 is equal to 784,000. Now we can add the numbers. I get 12,548,900. Next we can evaluate the square root. I get 3,542.44. We get two cases, positive and negative. Let's start by analyzing the positive case. The first zero is negative 1.76. Now we can analyze the negative case. The second zero is 108.94. This quadratic function has two zeros. This is the answer for the first part. Now we can answer the second part, find the maximum value for the function. The graph of a quadratic function is a parabola. The a value or the leading coefficient in the equation is negative. The leading coefficient is negative 16 over 1225. That means the vertex of the parabola represents the maximum point or the highest point on the parabola. The maximum value for the function is the y-coordinate of the vertex of the parabola. We can find the vertex of the parabola by converting the given equation, which is in standard form, to vertex form using the completing the square method. The other way to find the vertex is to use the formula for the vertex. In this video, I'll use the formula method because it's easier to find the vertex that way. The first step is to find the x-coordinate of the vertex, which can be found using the formula. To find the vertex of this parabola, we should use the given function equation, not the modified equation. In the given equation, a is equal to negative 16 over 1225. B is equal to 7 over 5. Now we can sub in these values in the formula. Now we can simplify this expression. In the denominator, 2 times negative 16 over 1225 is equal to negative 32 over 1225. Next, we can flip the fraction in the denominator and multiply it with the fraction in the numerator. Now we can evaluate this expression. I get 53.59. Next, we should sub in this x value in the given function equation to find the value of y, and that will be the maximum value for the function. Now we can simplify this expression. I get 40.02. This is the y coordinate of the vertex and the maximum value for this function. These are the steps we have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.